And so when they then turn up to the funding side, the business is in such a good state, the information is so clear.
The idea of this robot is to use it as an inspection robot, so to do security, patrolling, surveillance in industrial areas. And we combine the advantages of legs and wheels. This means with the legs we can go all terrain like all walking robots, but with the wheels we have the efficiency and speed, so we can drive 8 hours in one battery charge. And compared to walking systems, when you put like 10 kilos of payload, the battery lifetime decreases from 1.5 hours maybe to half an hour. But with our technology we can drive 8 hours.
You can go upstairs with
yes.
You can go at the first floor, second floor?
Yes, we can go upstairs, we can go downstairs. So you find us on our website ascento.ch, and also on YouTube. There we have a lot of videos driving stairs and
And which how many sensor you have on this to keep something which is not normal, like fire, I don't know.
Okay, yeah.
Heat, something like that.
So the sensors on the robot itself are just here that the robot can balance. So we have an IMU to measure out the angle, and the cameras to relocate and see where it's going. And then our customers can decide what sensors they would like a thermal camera or a microphone, speaker, whatever, ground penetrating radars. And
they can customize.
They can customize
with their need.
Yes, so we offer the unique platform that can go everywhere and far and long, and it can be used for any terrain that fits this purpose.
LiDAR is
of course, yes.
Basic
yes.
sensor you have?
Yes. So we can also do a 3D scanning of the environment and pan tilt zoom cameras.
What is the height of the
Weight is 24 kilos and 24 kilos, and it can carry 10 kilos. Yes.
And when it can carry something, what can it carry? It can bring something to a person in a...
with carry I mean more the payload of the sensors that are going to be mounted. But on a later stage, we also want to do logistics, so bring stuff from A to B, and in the far future also last mile delivery, so to bring the postal stuff in the quartier to all the houses.
Yes. And how do you work to find that the best solution was to two-wheel and not four? I don't know, perhaps you did some try.
Yes.
The real good shape of this robot?
Yeah, you can think about this in steps. So the first choice would be a wheeled robot. Great, can go far. But if you have terrain, it ends. So we need walking robots. Then you can go everywhere, not efficient, slow,
for all
so you
this
can add
information.
wheels
And I
to the leg
really wish
system,
you all the
but then you have
best
16 motors because you need 3 degrees of freedom per leg and the wheels. We only use 4 motors, so we can reduce the cost drastically. We don't need this many legs and this many wheels, so it's like a simplified system. And it's all that we need. And we can turn on spot. We are really compact, and this is something we can offer with this solution.
Which is your main target for this robot?
So
here you want to meet which company?
So it's mostly industrial facilities. Music is loud. So it's mostly industrial facilities like power plants or anything that needs inspection indoor and outdoor, big fields, and also solar panel areas outside. Yeah, that's our first target with the security and patrolling. And then we can do this 24/7 by itself autonomously. You just have to show it once where it has to go, and then it can do it repeatedly. And if something happens, if an anomaly is detected, then you can just see it through a monitor, and also teleoperate it through 4G. over a web interface, so no one has to be there.
La pandémie a fait exploser l'usage des outils
So this robot captures a lot of data.
Yes,
These data are on your server, on your cloud, and on our
So,
the clients can capture the data for him and
Yes.
try to
This depends on the customer. If we have a really strict customer security, then we can't access the data and they have it on their service. But usually we upload it to a server that they can have access to. But yeah, that depends on the customer.
Yeah, I know. What is the speed? The
speed is 50.
I don't know. You want to organize some race? I don't know. Because with stairs, the speed is
15 kilometers per hour.
It's something that you need to work on because you need only 10 or perhaps 25. It's better. I don't know.
I think with 15 we'll have more than enough because the limiting thing are not the motors but the autonomy. So the sensors, they have to capture everything. If you're running too fast and there's an obstacle, it has to react. So that's like the sweet spot that we found.
When they capture something, but all the machine learning, how does it
Pourquoi vous avez décidé de développer cette application directement
to understand that something is normal, something is not normal?
So we have two kinds of detection. One is we have a 3D map of how it should look like, and if something doesn't look like this, we know this is an anomaly or an object in the way, then we can go pass by. But we also have people detection. So if you have an industrial area in the night where nobody should be and it detects someone, then it can send an alarm, send live footage to a control center, and this person can then see it and operate the robot teleoperated and also through a microphone interact with the person there.
D'accord. Et nous, en tant qu'utilisateur, elle est automatiquement intégrée ou on doit
verify the pressure of the inside. You don't need to use some tire which are I don't know how I can say that.
Tubeless.
Only yes, tubeless perhaps.
Yeah, we're still researching now which tire is the best. Now we're playing around with the air pressure a bit because depending on the terrain, it's better to have soft ones. But definitely we're gonna go for tubeless.
You need some air inside the tire. You can use some tire which are plenty of caoutchouc.
There are good options without air. So, yeah, and that's where we're going as well. So tubeless tires. Yeah.
Thank you. Very
Yeah, no problem.
interesting.
Thank you. Also,
Thank you.